Counting down your bank is a very important responsibility of any dealer. It is the casino's property and their money. So you are solely responsible once you sit down in the box. If you are off, or you miscounted, or you weren't efficient in counting, you will pay for it at the end of your shift. So it's very important to find a procedure that you can quickly and efficiently count down your bank. This is a procedure I would practice a lot at home, making different amounts in your bank and seeing how quickly you can do it and how right on point you. Welcome students to your class 3, which is chip cutting. Very important part of becoming a poker dealer. You're going to be doing it consistently throughout your career. And the trick is to become quick and efficient at it so that you can use your time doing other things like perhaps dealing another hand and making more money. What I've brought is 4 different colors of denominations of chips. They all vary from casinos, but in all casinos you will have white chips, which is $1 chips, red chips, which are considered $5 chips. It's also called red birds. You also have black chips, which is $100, and greens, which are $25 chips. Now, the reason why I brought out these different colors is because we are teaching you to cut the reds, white, and blacks in stacks of 5 and the greens in stacks of 4. It's common sense. If these are 25 and you cut them in stacks of 4, then you're cutting them in hundreds. Welcome students to your lesson of Omaha High-Low. Today you're going to be learning how to deal Omaha High-Low and also how to read hands. Now Omaha High-Low is a little bit different than your normal Hold'em games and your Omaha Pot Limit High games because there's 2 winners. You're going to be awarding a high hand and a low hand. In addition, instead of scooping the chips in, you're going to be stacking the chips. So that's how it differentiates from the other games that you're learning. It's fun because it's a little bit more interesting of a game, and it also allows sometimes for you to get 2 tips because you're awarding 2 pots. Okay, blinds out, 1 and 2, please. Omaha High-Low. Now remember students, you're going to be dealing 4 cards in this game every time. The reason being is, in order to have a low hand, a player must have 2 low cards in their hand, along with the 3 low cards on the board. Now remember, if one of their low cards in the player's hand pairs up with the card on the board, they won't have a low, because then they'll only have 4 to a low. 4 players. In this game, you stack the chips every hand. Check. You see on this board, we see a 10, deuce, 5. So there is a low possibility, but there's no low yet because there's not 3 low cards on board. All we see now is a flush for the high hand. So right now an ace-high flush would be the best hand.